Well, with the new hammock, thought maybe I could hang it inside. So I've already attached this getup. Oh gosh, let's see if I can get this part out. This getup. So this is from DutchWareGear, and you just put in 3 screws, and then you got this jobber that hangs off of it, and then you can attach your hammock to it. And it really goes in pretty easy. So you just line those up, push it in. That's it. So how do you hang one of those? Well, we'll do it over here. Had to move some stuff out of the way. But here I've marked on my wall where 68 inches was and where 72 inches was. And 68 is about eye height for me. But then I wanted a little adjustment downward. So I'll put it right there. Hang on, let me get it. So camera is right about eye height. So that'll give a little adjustment there. So I pre-drilled these the old-fashioned way by hammering in a nail and then taking it out, because this is like a solid post. And so now I'm going to put some screws in, and I'll show you what the screws look like after I get done putting all this in. Hang tight. So here's the size screw I used. Just a regular old Phillips head. This is a number 8 by 2.5 inches. And my electric drill doesn't put it in all the way, so I had to use a little old-fashioned elbow grease. But I got those in. It's pretty tight. So hoping that works good. And how'd we do for plumb? Not bad. Not bad. Good enough anyway. So we'll put one of these, the same setup over here. So again, line up this middle section and this partial middle section with an opening. And then if you just push and slide it up, locks it in. And if you want a different spot, you gotta pull that out, and then you can slide it up. I had to figure that out, but I got it. So you can get it too. No big deal. So now let's see if we can figure out how to get a hammock up here. Hang on. All right, here's what I did. I just took the War Bonnet suspension system, the strap, and attached it to their carabiner. And with its War Bonnet buckle systems. Of course, this is the first time I've ever even tried a hammock, so if I didn't hang it right, please do let me know. I tried to make the foot end a little bit higher than the head end. Anyway, and then over on this side, got the buckles set up and up to the carabiner. And let's try sitting in it and see what happens. Good luck to us, everyone. Whoa. I know you're not supposed to have your shoes on, but I'm gonna go outside it a little bit. Okay, so there's the old foot box. I'm telling you, this thing is super comfy. I wonder if they're all this comfy, or if it's just War Bonnet. Here's the other end. And up to the bracket on the wall. I don't hear any creaking. I don't see any dust flying out of them. Maybe we did it. Thanks, guys. And if you have hints about how to hang a hammock really good, please leave them in the comments because, you know, I'm just a rookie and I'd appreciate it. And if you know somebody who needs to hang some of those, send them this video, would you please? Because I only found 2. And again, I used number 8 2.5-inch screws right into studs at my door and at the other end at a pretty major post of the house. So tried to keep it all secure. Thanks. Hope you're having a great day.